Hi, this is Adam with the customer success team here at Rivet. What we're going to be doing today is going over more of an advanced technique in the application, resolving schedule conflicts. If we come here to our Jobs tab, we're looking at our schedule view, we could see that we have this character Bill Electron scheduled on our Crystal Lake job this week and next week. If we also want to schedule them at our Comerica Park job, we can do that, and Rivet will notify us of any schedule conflicts. So if we search Bill here, pull them up, go to continue, we'll say they're going to work this job, let's say today and tomorrow. We want them at Comerica Park. Rivet, again, is going to flag this as a potential conflict. We're going to be able to make this a permanent transfer and have them stay only at Comerica Park, or we can add this as an additional job. What this is going to do is send Bill to Comerica Park on Thursday and Friday. Once they've completed their work at the Comerica Park job, they will return to their post at Crystal Lake. So that's what we're looking to do here. We can either choose to clear their schedule for Thursday and Friday, having them only work the Comerica Park job, or we're able to double book them and have them split their time between Comerica Park and this Crystal Lake job down here. What we're going to do is clear their schedule out for the purposes of this demonstration. We can also dispatch that work, and we can see here on Thursday and Friday we have Bill at Comerica Park, and once they finish their shift on Friday, Monday, we can see they will then return to their Crystal Lake position.